Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Easy Tricks app. In today's video, I will tell you how to make group chat on Snapchat app. For this, I will just go and open my Snapchat app. Now, I will just open my chats, and here you can see this blue button. This is to make new chats. I will click on it and I will click on create group. Then I will add its participants. Now I will click on chat with group. Now you can see the group is created and here are 3 members in this group. If you want to rename the group, just click on its name and add a name and now start chatting. That's it from today's video, guys. If you're new to our channel, like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. Take care.